G'day, it's Matt from Krank Engineering again, and we're back with the third video in the basic electronics series and how to apply some of this to your motorcycle. So this video we want to talk about series and parallel circuits and the difference between them and how that might apply to your bike. So in this particular case, this is our light globe circuit from the last video, and in this particular case the electricity doesn't have any choice but to flow from the positive side of the batteries through the globe, around the conductors, back through the switch, and then back to the negative side of the battery. There's only one path. This is a series circuit. And now I'll show you what the difference is with a parallel circuit. Okay, now we've built ourselves a parallel circuit, and let's have a look at the differences here. In this case, electricity is coming off the positive terminal, and it gets to this point here, and it's got a decision to make. It can either go through the light globe, or it can keep going through the conductor to the motor and to spin the propeller. So electricity is just a bit like water, yeah? It'll take the easiest path it can find, and the easiest path is the path of least resistance. You know, I've heard all these sayings before, but it holds true for electricity like it does for water. So in this case, electricity comes along, says, what am I going to do? There's voltage pushing it from behind, so it's got to go one way or the other, and some of it goes to the globe and some of it goes to the motor. So let's see what happens when we flick the switch. Okay, we've got the motor spinning and the globe's lit, but not as bright as it was the last time because electricity's been split and it's doing work on both the globe and on the motor. Now this is one reason why, for example, your headlight might dim when you operate the starter motor. So you've already got electricity going to the headlight, and then you try to start the bike, and the starter motor sucks a whole lot of current from the electrical circuit and reduces how much is going to the headlight. So that's why your headlight dims momentarily before the bike starts. Okay, so that's the basics of series and parallel circuits. Just remember the electricity has to split, and it'll take the path of least resistance through these circuits to get back to the negative terminal of the battery. Next video we'll talk a little bit about resistance and how that affects your motorcycle and their circuits as well. Thanks for watching. Cheers.